This is the Intang acupoint. This is the Taiyang acupoint. This is the Baihui acupoint. Difficulty falling asleep or superficial sleep with general discomfort, listlessness, slow reaction, headache, and memory decline can all be relieved by pressing and kneading these acupoints. For the Intang acupoint, you can use your index and middle fingers together to press and knead. For the Taiyang acupoint, you can place your thumb fingertips on the Taiyang acupoints and gently rub them. For the Baihui acupoint, use both thumbs to massage clockwise. Repeat each set of movements 30 times. Follow me to learn more acupoint massage knowledge.
Is your shoulder and neck uncomfortable? Don't worry. Today, I'm sharing a set of shoulder and neck massage techniques. 5 simple steps to quickly help you relax. Step 1. Alternately use both hands to knead the sore muscles on both sides of the neck. Knead slowly. Do 20 sets. Step 2. Use both hands to press on both sides of the neck. Make circles 20 times. Step 3. Scrape outward 20 times in the areas of the shoulder and neck that feel the most sore. Step 4. Pinch 20 times in the sore areas of the trapezius muscle. Do 5 sets. Step 5. Alternate pushing with your thumbs on both sides. Do 20 sets. Massage this way 3 to 4 times a week to make your shoulders and neck feel more relaxed.
How to relax the back. A set of techniques to teach you how to learn. Step 1. Push the trapezius muscles on the left and right sides. Strengthen with finger knuckles. Step 2. Use thumbs alternately to lift and pull the neck. Step 3. Push the scapular bone seams on both sides. Push the left side, then push the right side. Step 4. Push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Push to the waist and strengthen with kneading and plucking. Step 5. Push the governing vessel in the middle. Be gentle on the spine, don't apply too much pressure. Step 6. Rub the entire back with a clenched fist until warm. Rub the waist until warm. Finally, soothe and relax the entire back muscles.
Super comfortable waist massage techniques. Hurry up and save it. Relax your family who has had a hard day. Step 1. We use our thumbs to push up the lumbar spine. You can push it up vertebra by vertebra, from bottom to top, then from top to bottom. This action can be repeated 4 to 5 times. Give the lumbar spine a gentle relief. Step 2. We push both sides of the waist. You can overlap your thumbs like this, or one front and one back, depending on the other's tolerance. Step 3. We do a Z-shaped double push. It can be from bottom to top, or from top to bottom. Step 4. Now we are going to do a side push while kneading. A movement on both sides. Step 5. Use the joints of our fingertips. Scrape back and forth on the waist. Step 6. Perform a push-pull action on the waist, mainly to let this part get a deep relaxation. This action can be done back and forth 20 times in one set. Do 4 to 5 sets. Step 7. Use this part of our hypothenar eminence. Rub back and forth on the waist. Let the waist heat up quickly. Step 8. Do a double palm overlap press on the waist. You can stay here a little longer. 3 to 5 seconds. Persist in doing these actions for 10 minutes every day. The waist will become more and more relaxed.
First, swing your wrist up and down to relax it. Step 1. Using the heels of both hands, push outward from the center across the back of your hand. Step 2. Massage the fingers, starting from the base and moving in circular motions towards the fingertips. Once you reach the fingertips, use the index and middle fingers to grip, pull straight, pull to the side, and then relax. Next, gently pinch the hegu acupoint, located between the thumb and index finger. Continue with the same method for the index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. After massaging, then pull straight, pull to the side, and relax. Step 3. Using the thumbs of both hands. Scrape along the edges of the palm, the thenar and hypothenar areas. Then scrape the laogong acupoint area, located in the center of the palm. Step 4. Alternate using your thumbs to relax the laogong acupoint area. Then, push upward using the thumb and index finger. Push the index finger and ring finger upward. Push the middle finger upward. Next, we'll employ a full finger stretching technique. Stretch all 5 fingers upward simultaneously. Step 5. Interlock all 10 fingers, with palms facing each other. Tap and rub your palm bases until they feel warm. Step 6. Firmly grip your hand. Lift it up for a soothing relaxation. Grip and push upward, squeezing the thumb. Hold for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Then relax. Step 7. Using our kneeling fingers, scrape the entire palm area. Remember to repeat each movement 5 to 8 times when doing this.
Home abdominal massage techniques. Step 1. Make circles to relax. Step 2. Use alternating hands to push and pull the dimeridian. Step 3. Point press 4 acupoints on the abdomen. Point press each acupoint 3 to 5 times. Step 4. Make circles around the navel to knead. Step 5. Use palm heel to relax the entire abdomen. Home leg massage relaxation. First, apply an appropriate amount of massage oil. Step 1. Knead the Qingshan acupoint and Weizhong acupoint separately. Then retract from both sides. Step 2. Divide and separate from inside to outside. Divide and separate to the popliteal fossa area, then retract from both sides. Step 3. Straight push with finger knuckles and a half-clenched fist. Step 4. Push horizontally with both thumbs. Step 5. Scrape the outer side of the calf along the gallbladder meridian with finger knuckles. Step 6. Clench your fist and tap. Relax the leg muscles. Finally, perform soothing